Photoshop how to save selection to PNG. I have a largish PSD file with a couple of hundred layers that I would like to extract selected areas from into PNG files. Areas can consist of a couple of layers. Being new to Photoshop, I have been using the following workaround. Duplicate needed layers into a new scratch PSD file same size, trim to transparency, save as PNG, undo trim, hide layers, rinse and repeat. I suppose I could do it without the scratch file and just crop selection, save as PNG and undo, but there must be a nicer method. What other ways are there to accomplish this export of a selected area to PNG? Edit, this is on Windows XP running Photoshop CS3 extended.
Make your selection. Edit and GT, copy merged. File and GT, new. Photoshop should automatically suggest a new canvas size to match the selection size. Edit and GT, paste. File and GT, save as, PNG. Rinse and repeat. Keyboard shortcuts are handy here. Tested on Photoshop CS4.
Try selecting the areas with the slice tool and then File and GT, export for web and AMP devices.
I tackled this by creating a script that I put in, presets / scripts / export selection to png.jsx. The code as follows. The script above will handle no selection as a select all and checks if the target file exists, confirming an overwrite. This script is triggered from the File and GT, Scripts and GT, Export Selection to PNG.